Hi, it's Christy here from AdaptEd, and I just wanted to go through and show you how to use the Build a Box of Donuts digital version. So if you go here to the slides, you'll see that there is a picture of what it is that your student is supposed to be able to make. So we've included a few extra donuts so that they have to differentiate. And depending on the slide, there's a varying amount of extra donuts. So if they can drag and drop to create this, and then you're free to go in and check their work, which is really nice. Once all of them have been completed, you can go in, check their work. If you would like to restore the pieces and not have to have your students take them out, I'd like to show you how to do that. So if you go here and you go to, you click up here, it's going to show you what version to go. So just restore to this version for donuts to return to their original place. You click there, you're going to be able to have the donuts go back into the place, their original places. So you don't have to have your students go back and mess up the work that they've already done. And then they can do it again if they need to. Okay, well, I hope that you're excited to use this product, and we'd love to hear your feedback. If you ever want to let us know how it's going, please email us. We'd love to hear from you. Okay, bye.